Hello everyone, welcome to our college algebra online course. My name is Chongheng Lee and I'll be teaching this course. So before we start, let's go through our syllabus together. If you go to our class website in E360, then you should be able to download the syllabus that I'm just about to go through with you. So if you haven't, um, then please pause this video for now and go to the school website, the E360 website, and download or at least open up the syllabus file and let's go through that together. Alright, so syllabus, basically this is going to be college algebra course and it's going to be the online course, and this is my name, Chongheng Lee, and there's my email address right there. Well, let me tell you a little bit more about myself. I've been teaching for last 17 years. I am originally from South Korea and I did my undergraduate in Sydney, Australia. So I spent about 4 years there, did my undergraduate, I did double major. I did applied mathematics and computer science double major. And after that, I came to US, did my master's. I had actually 2 masters. One's from applied mathematics, engineering math, and another one is math education. Then I did my PhD in Columbia University. So after that, I've been teaching in several different college and university around this area. So I've been teaching at um, Naya College, NYU, Lehman College up in Bronx, and Montclair, Pace, several other schools. But Naya College, I am associate professor here. I've been teaching here for 7 years or more. Right? All right, so this is our textbook, College Algebra 9th edition. 9th edition is not the current edition, but you can get it really cheap in some of those websites. And this is going to be the main textbook that we are going to use. Now you can, basically this is the algebra course. We're going to touch upon several topics listed in here. Right? Polynomial, rational expressions, equations, functions, and graphs, and quadratic equations, and exponential and logarithmic equation. A little bit of that as well. Now, you can definitely read through this carefully, but let me just highlight some of those important information. Now, this part right here is pretty important. This is going to be our course requirement. So there will be a weekly homework, and all those homeworks and assignment will be listed in our E360 website. I'm also going to go through that with you. And so weekly homework is going to be 30%. Weekly note is going to be 30%. And there will be final exam 40%. Final exam is going to be in class. So you will come to Naya campus, either Rockland or Manhattan. As we approach the final exam day, I'll email you and ask you to choose which campus is suitable for you. And we will have in-class final 40%. Mind you that homework and notes combined together is 60. So technically speaking, if you did all the homework, and if you take note of my video lecture, then you get 60% right there. Right, that also means in time, and it has to be a good set of homework and note, right? So that's going to be our course composition, and there's more detailed descriptions. So homework will be assigned for each week. Students need to complete the homework problem on a weekly basis. There'll be a due date listed there. Students should scan or take a picture of your work and upload that in a Dropbox of E360. Now, I want you to do the homework on pencil and paper, on the paper, and take a picture or scan it and use that picture file, make one single Word file, right? So once you've complete your homework, pencil and paper, take a picture or scan it and put that picture file into your Word document so that your final submission is going to be just a single file in Word file and just upload it in the Dropbox. Now, there will be also weekly note. You are going to watch my video lecture and you're going to take a note while you are watching videos. And the complete setup note, of course you can use that for your study material for later on and for the final exam. And you should also take a picture or scan the note that you took and make that as one Word file, right? You can upload it, you can insert that picture file in the Word, right? So you can do that as well, and make the homework and the note as one document and then upload that in the Dropbox. Okay, and final exam is going to be in person. You should come to class at least just once to take the final exam, right? Even though this is online course. Okay, and mind you that this is online course, so you should be able to work with your computer. You should be able to log in. You should be able to take pictures or scan your document and upload that into our Dropbox website, right? Our school class website into Dropbox menu. Okay, and calculator, you should be able to use it when you do your homework, and even when you are doing your final exam, you are allowed to use a scientific calculator, right? Not the cell phone, but the calculator. And there is grade point systems. You can definitely read about it. And basically, if you want to get an A, 90 to 100 is the score that you want. If you're just looking for pass, 60 or above is going to be just passing, right? Okay, and incomplete is not for everyone. It will only be approved, signed by the dean, and not the case that you are not ready to take the final, but there must be a verifiable reason that you cannot complete the course, right? So it's rarely granted. Okay, so these are the chapters and these are the topics that we are going to study, right? All right, and this is kind of unit, and don't to worry too much about it. There's like college core values, undergraduate learning goals, and there is arts and science student learning goal, and there's a Department of Mathematics student learning goal as well. And writing center is available, not necessarily for this course because this is math. We don't have any essay type of questions or homeworks assignment. but it's good to know that they have writing center. And plagiarism, again, not really relevant for us, but you can definitely read through it, and if you have any question, then you can ask me later, right? So basically, this is what we have, and there is also disability support service as well. So if you need, you can email, and they'll probably be able to arrange this, something for you. All right. So let's go through our E360 website. So once you log into your student portal and you know there is E360 option, right? So let me just log out and try it again. So if you go to My NIAC, then they'll ask you to put your login name and your let me just move a little bit, right, password, and you choose that advanced 360 is 360 right there. You click on it, then it'll open up the page just like this. Then you go to your course right here, and then choose College Algebra Online, right? You should be able to see this. And so if you go to lesson right here, then there is list of lesson that's so far I just published the 2 introduction and week 1. So later on I'm going to publish more, so you will be able to see the full complete list of the week. If you go to the introduction, and there's a Bible verses for us, and there's short welcome note from me. Now if you go to lesson again, open up the week 1. Well, let me go to the student view, right? Student view, you will see just week 1 for now. So if you click on week 1, this is week of from September 9th to September 12th. Now this video is just if I make it as general, then you will see this week 1, then you will have the date of week 1 here. If you click it in, these are the chapters that you're supposed to cover in week 1, and this is the learning objective, and these are the to-do list. So you need to watch the video lecture, which is listed in here. I set up the YouTube link there, and make note while you're watching the video, and take pictures or scan your note. And remember I told you that make it as one single file, and make it as a Word document. So then put it in the Dropbox. But you can also do the note and homework in a one file, make it a single file, and put it in the Dropbox, right? So do the homework, listed it in here, right? See this assignment in here, and the due date. Then due date for the first assignment should be listed in here. Of course, it will be varying semester to semester, but let's say for this semester, say due date of this first assignment is the September 19, right? Just like that. And all you need to do for the assignment, take a note of your video lecture right here, and do the list of homework right there, right? So this is review chapter 4, question number 17, 21, all the way up to 95. Now let's click on one of those video lecture. Video lecture will open up this. K-power. So here A, right? So video lecture looks like this. Today we're going to talk. if I just fast forward,
So
many. It's going to
monomial means
polynomial,
a single term. Constant,
right?
a integer.
So if I just
variable.
fast forward, so while you are watching this video, you should take a note, right? You should take a note and scan it and put it up in your Word file, and together with the homework question, you put it in the Dropbox, right? So if I fast forward, this is about 21-minute video, right? 21-minute video. So second video is right here. Again, if you open up the second video, so
okay.
I made this
by this
video, right? So hopefully this you learn from this video. I put all the comments, anything that I want to say about this topic, so this should cover 100% of the topic that you will need to study for the final exam, right? Okay, so once you take a note and once you complete this homework, open up your Word file, right? Like Word file, and put the file name as week 1 assignment. Then put all the note and put all the homework pictures in that Word file, and go to Dropbox. And if you go to Dropbox, there's a list of box. So go to assignment 1, and then you can upload your file in assignment from week 1 in this folder, right? Okay, so hopefully this will help you, and you have my email address as well. So if you have any questions, you can definitely email me. I should be able to answer you through email, and hopefully this will be a successful semester for you as well. All right, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Right? Okay. But just one more thing. In the syllabus, you have to hand it in your homework on time, right? If you hand it in, it's listed in this class policy here. Let me go to that sections. So basically, you need to hand it in your homework before the due date. Anything after will cost you 25% deduction, right? So, well, it's listed in here actually. Assignment homework must be completed before the due date, and late homework will be accepted but reduced by 10% per day. So, if you say 10 days late, then there's no point of handing it in because you'll get nothing. If you get a day later, you'll have 10%. You're supposed to get like 100 point, but you only get 90 point, and so forth, right? 3 days late, 30% deduction. So, online course, it's all about discipline. You really need to discipline yourself and keep up with the material, right? So hopefully this will help. And if you have any question, please don't forget to contact me through email. All right? Okay, bye-bye.